Today we are making the mother culture of a ginger bug. We use ginger because it contains a Lactobacillus bacteria on its skin. We don't use metal utensils because the metal affects the mother culture and changes the entire flavor of the ginger bug. Instead, we use wood, ceramics, and glass because it will not affect the flavor or any part of the culture. Next, we will start to cut up the ginger to get as much surface area as possible. What we will be creating is a process of Lactobacillus fermentation, which can be used as a method of decarboxylation of Ibotenic acid into Muscimol. After the mother is created, we will make Amanita tea by boiling the mushroom caps in water and adding some mother and more sugar into that tea that contains mostly Ibotenic acid. This concoction will make what we call a ginger soma, or soda, and will decarboxylate the Ibotenic acid into nearly 100% Muscimol. When creating the mother, we add sugar, and the bacteria on the ginger's skin will consume the sugar and multiply itself. When added to the Amanita tea, in this process of multiplying itself, it will be digesting the sugar and decarboxylating the Ibotenic acid into Muscimol. We call the tea mother mixture a second fermentation, and the reason we add additional sugar to that mixture is to continue feeding the Lactobacillus bacteria to allow for decarboxylation. Look at those beautiful chunks. So for creating the mother, we would leave it in a warm area for 12 to 48 hours in a fermentation-ready glass container. This is because if the container cannot handle the pressure created by the reaction, it will explode. As you can see, this small utensil was quite hard to use, and I do recommend finding a better, bigger knife. Here is all the beautiful ginger we have carved. Now take anything but a metal measuring cup, a pressure-safe jar, and add your ginger in. Next, we'll take 2 cups of water, and try your best not to spill. Then we'll take 1 cup of sugar. Then place it inside of the jar. Then if you made a mess like me, this would be a good time to clean up. Then take a non-metal utensil and stir it. You know the mother is ready when you see bubbles, and although the mother is fermented with a cloth lid to allow for pressure to exit, during the second fermentation a week later, the mixture is sealed up under pressure to build up carbonation. Now it's time to wait and leave it in a warm place to allow it to ferment. Thank you!